Welcome! In this video, we're going to walk through a quick and simple way to turn off those pop-up approval notifications from Google Drive on your phone. If you've ever been interrupted by those approval alerts suddenly taking over your screen, you'll be glad to know there's an easy fix. Let's get right into it. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to your phone's settings. This is the main control center where you can manage everything running on your device. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Here, you'll see a full list of the applications installed on your phone, and this is where we'll find Google Drive. Once you're in the apps list, go ahead and tap on Google Drive. This will open up all the settings and options specifically for the Drive app. Now, look for Notifications and tap on it. This section shows you the different types of alerts and messages Google Drive may send you. From here, select Notification Categories. This will break down the different groups of notifications that Drive uses, so you can decide which ones you want to allow and which ones you'd rather disable. Within these categories, tap on Approvals. This is the one responsible for those pop-ups that take over your screen whenever an approval request comes through. Finally, you'll see the option for Show as Pop-up. Simply toggle this off. Once you've done that, the approval notifications will no longer show up as intrusive pop-ups, but you'll still be able to view them normally in your notification panel if needed. And that's it. Just a few quick steps, and you've successfully disabled Google Drive approval notifications from interrupting your screen. From now on, you'll have fewer distractions while still keeping track of your updates in a more controlled way. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to use these steps whenever you need a little more control over your apps. Thanks for watching.